Okay, so Monday morning, new trading week. Got the FTSE 100 on the daily chart initially. So as you can see, strong channel from beginning of the year. Very bullish direction. Recent couple of maybe just a month or so, we've now turned this downward channel that's formed. We have started around this mark last week, struggled to really break the lows with any real conviction, and we bought back in. So we've got this 100-day moving average, which is potentially looking like a bit of a support area, but coupled with that we've got this support zone still a little further down as well. So the trend is definitely down, but we are looking like we might stumble into a bit of potential support around this moving average, and again around this support zone if we get there. So if we draw down to the lower time frames, the hourly chart. So here's this downward channel. The last week or so we have had a few touches of these highs. See a big nice rally yesterday, probably caused by the American markets as the FTSE was closed. But as you can see, the Asian markets have already got this big gap has formed. Sunday candle normally just discard. We've got this big gap that has appeared, and the Asian markets have slowly trended. Well, have brought the FTSE down ever so slightly. So interesting, we don't normally see gaps. Well, we do see gaps. We're looking at a big gap here. I think this was a bank holiday weekend. But yeah, it's got a bit of a gap here, which may look to close today. But again, we can extend some of these. These are original lines. I always tend to like the original ones I've drawn because they were there for a reason at the time. So we put that back in. Is it still valid? Well, touch points, touch point, touch point, touch, another touch. So it's sort of still this. We're at the bottom of this range. There's a possibility that we could look to move this much larger support zone up slightly, but yeah, I'll leave the access on the larger time frames for now. Do have this again, these two little pushes down which have been rejected, and on both occasions they've gone the full push back up. Same point on both occasions. So definitely still in this range. We're at the bottom of the range, so there's a suggestion that we should be looking to a buy at this point. I think the better order would be a potential buy order down here if we do get to that level. But again, we'll obviously have the opening few candles go in the 5-minute time frame when we get there. But for now, let's just let's extend these across. Here. Same with this. So that's 7 to 8-ish. But I wasn't 7 to. I'll do just about there. There we go. Okay, I can also expand it to downward channel. Again, ultimately keeping aligned. Yeah. Right. Fair enough. We'll just duplicate this. We'll bring that into line. Around there. Okay, so yeah. So again, the downward channel still in play. We do have currently trading at these low points. Could look as a possibility of a small buy opportunity, which is actually tempting at the moment, assuming we're using this support zone. Again, my only worry is it's dropping down to these levels. So we'll probably look to place an order around here anyway. Maybe a bit later on. Drop that into the 5-minute time frame. Again, this is more obvious. There's the close, the open over the weekend. So what's that? Let's say 2780. So yeah, maybe 35-40 point gap. Yeah, so just reconfirming everything we just spoke about, and as you can see, we've got this area, a support area, which is just underneath. So it'll be interesting to see. Again, we'll wait for the first candle, well, probably the first 3 candles of the morning, and see how that progresses, and see if it gives us any indication of where we think it's going to go for the day. Okay, that'll do for now, and let's see what happens.